Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is phenology the study of? Is it A. Periodic biological phenomena such as flowering, migration, breeding, etc.? B. A variant of physiognomy? C. Non-terrestrial life? Or D. Religion? The answer is A. Periodic biological phenomena such as flowering, migration, breeding, etc.
Phenology, the study of periodic biological phenomena like flowering and migration, reveals nature's calendar. For instance, cherry blossoms in Japan are so precisely timed that historical records of their bloom dates have been used to track climate change over centuries.
Question 2. What is the chemical trinitrotoluene often used for? Is it A. It is used in nuclear reactors as a neutron moderator? B. It is used in disinfectants and antiseptics? C. It is used in military shells, bombs, and grenades? Or D. It is known to relieve pain and inflammation? The answer is C. It is used in military shells, bombs, and grenades.
Trinitrotoluene, commonly known as TNT, is not just famous for its explosive power in military applications like shells, bombs, and grenades, it also played a crucial role in the construction of tunnels and railways. Its stability made it safer to handle compared to other explosives of its time.
Question 3. What is angelology the study of? Is it A. Angels? B. Religion? C. Semitic cultures? Or D. Numbers? The answer is A. Angels.
Angelology, the study of angels, delves into celestial beings across various religions and mythologies. These ethereal entities are often depicted as messengers or protectors. Interestingly, angelic hierarchies were meticulously detailed by medieval scholars like Pseudo-Dionysius, who classified them into 9 distinct orders, each with unique roles and characteristics.
Question 4. How do procumbent plants grow? Is it A. They spread over ground? B. They cling to animals? C. Underwater? Or D. They climb up vertical surfaces? The answer is A. They spread over ground.
Procumbent plants, like the charming creeping thyme, grow by spreading their stems horizontally along the ground. This growth habit allows them to cover large areas quickly, creating a lush green carpet. Their unique strategy helps them avoid competition for sunlight and makes them excellent ground covers in gardens.
Question 5. What is the mathematical term used to describe the shape of a cell in a honeycomb? Is it A. Dodecahedron? B. Octagon? C. Pentagon? Or D. Hexagon? The answer is D. Hexagon.
The hexagonal shape of honeycomb cells is a marvel of efficiency in nature. This geometric wonder allows bees to use the least amount of wax while maximizing storage space and structural strength, showcasing nature's knack for mathematical precision and resourcefulness.
Question 6. What is paleophytology the study of? Is it A. Eggs? B. The study, especially statistical, of elections? C. Ancient multicelled plants? Or D. Viruses? The answer is C. Ancient multicelled plants.
Paleophytology delves into the fascinating world of ancient multi-celled plants, revealing secrets from millions of years ago. Imagine uncovering fossilized forests and prehistoric ferns that once thrived alongside dinosaurs. This field helps us understand Earth's climatic past and the evolution of plant life, offering a green window into ancient ecosystems.
Question 7. What is the chemical trichloromethane often used for? Is it A. It is used in manufacture of pulp and paper, alumina, soap, and detergents. B. It is used as a solvent for lacquer, floor polishes, and resins. C. It is used as oscillators in radios, watches. Or D. It is used for surface purification, bleaching, odor removal, and water disinfection. The answer is B. It is used as a solvent for lacquer, floor polishes, and resins.
Trichloromethane, also known as chloroform, was once famously used as an anesthetic in surgeries during the 19th century. Today, it finds a more mundane yet crucial role as a solvent for lacquer, floor polishes, and resins, helping to keep our homes shiny and our art projects pristine.
Question 8. Animals and plants which produce light are said to be what? Is it A. Naturalite, B. Glowgasmic, C. Technicolor, or D. Bioluminescent? The answer is D. Bioluminescent.
Bioluminescent creatures, like fireflies and certain jellyfish, create their own light through chemical reactions within their bodies. This natural glow can be used for attracting mates, deterring predators, or luring prey. The eerie blue-green shimmer of bioluminescence has even inspired the creation of glowing plants in scientific research.
Thanks for joining our science and nature quiz. Remember, knowledge is like a tree, it keeps growing. Until next time, stay curious and keep branching out. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.